cloud setup. To reproduce some counts, we use the fan. As you can see in the video, it's not possible to check the real counts because of the relation between the sensor data acquisition frequency and video camera that's using video at 60 frames per second. To check the counts acquired by the sensor, you need to register the unit in our portal available in WiFi-Counter.cloud. For that, you need to connect your PC to the Wi-Fi counter wireless signal. Select the SSID available as Varionet and enter the password. Then open your web browser and type 192.168.166.1 and press enter. Then click login. Once you don't need password in the first boot. Now you will connect the device to your home or enterprise network. Press scan to search for your network and select it. Then introduce your network password. I remember that you only see 2.4 GHz networks once our device do not support yet 5 GHz. Now go to the counter portal through your web browser, create an account or enter your login. Now let's create your project. For that, press create project, fill all the informations and press add project. Now select your project, then press add device, fill all the spaces with the data required and press add. Now that you add the device into the portal, it's time to check some features. Please select dashboard, and as you can see, this graphic represents the elapsed time between the counts. Then, if you go to project list, select your device and press records. Here you can check all the information about the counts, as data, time, counts, totals and others. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribe. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video.